Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I've been talking about this Kiwi dollar possibly being a big WXY, and if that is true, then this potentially would be making three waves down, probably taking out this low before we end up continuing up. Now, the problem I have with this analysis is that the trend is up on the weekly, the monthly, and the daily time frame. What does that mean? That means that this right here could easily just be a little pullback within an uptrend, and it just keeps on going up. So please, please, please be cautious. The trend is your friend as always. So zooming back in, I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. If this really is an A, B, C, then it will likely bounce from the 78%. It will likely give you an engulfing move to the upside and a break of structure. If you see this picture, then definitely continue to look for longs in an uptrend. It very easily could keep going up. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can probably see the structure. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure level. If price breaks and holds above there, then I would definitely be looking for longs on pullbacks. If price does not break and hold above here, then I would definitely be recommending shorts because there is a chance that we do make a much bigger move to the downside. So if you don't get this break and hold above structure, then I would definitely recommend looking for shorts at the end of any three-way pullback I see on these sort of time frames, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.